Hello once again and welcome to the fifth and final segment of our tutorial on how to set up a Cardano stake pool on Windows. And in this tutorial, we are going to discuss when and how to regenerate your KES or key evolving signature key pair. Because after a certain period of time, and it's usually after 90 days, the key will evolve to a new key and the old one will be discarded. This is actually for security purposes of the blockchain. All right. Now, before a certain period of time expires or passes, your KES will need to be regenerated. Your KES key pair needs to be regenerated, and then you will have to issue a new node operational certificate using the new KES key pair. And after that, you will have to restart your Cardano node with the new operational certificate. So the very first thing that we need to do is find out how long one period is and for how long a key can evolve. We can do that if you open the mainnet-shelley-genesis.json file inside the Cardano configuration folder. Look for the entries that say slotsPerKESPeriod and maxKESEvolution. So let's copy that and paste it on our guide. All right. So this means that the key will evolve after each period of 129,600 slots, and it can evolve 62 times before it needs to be renewed. The next thing that we need to do is to figure out the start of the KES validity period or evolution period that we are currently in by querying our network. All right, the current slot in the network is 52040493. So let's copy again that value and paste it in our template. Okay. Now, the current slot, we need to divide that with the slots per KES period, which is 129,600. Okay. And the result of that will be the KES evolution period. So let's do the math. Okay, the current slot divided by the slots per KES period, then we get the result as the KES evolution period. But before we proceed with the next step, let's copy that value again and paste it in our command template for our succeeding steps. But for now, we are going to generate a new KES key pair and overwrite our existing KES verification key and signing key. So let's copy this command and we are going to generate now a new set of KES key pair. So that's done. The files have been generated. We now proceed with the next step, which is to generate a new node operational certificate. So we are going to use our new KES verification key and of course our code signing key and our code counter with of course the actual KES validity period that we just calculated a while ago. The result will be saved in a new node certificate file, so make sure to back it up again before you perform this procedure. Okay, so let's copy it and execute in our command prompt to generate a new node certificate. So that's done. We have a new KES key pair, a new node operational certificate, and then the only last thing we need to do is simply to restart your block producing node. And to restart your node, simply close your nodes window or press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to stop the batch file in the node from running, and simply rerun your batch file to restart your node. And don't forget, guys, that you need to do this process of renewing your KES key pair and node operational certificate every 90 days before your KES expires. So that's it, guys. This wraps up our fifth and final segment of our tutorial on how to set up a Cardano stake pool on Windows. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed our series, and I will see you on my future tutorials. Bye-bye.